Welcome to 1414 King Street East, Suite 903. This highly sought-after 9th floor 3-bedroom unit offers spectacular views and the largest floor plan in the building. Enjoy gorgeous sunsets from your west-facing living room, balcony, and sunroom. Entertain family and friends with ease in your bright, updated wraparound kitchen and separate dining room. Your updated bathroom features a walk-in shower and is located next to the in-suite laundry. Your storage locker is also housed on the 9th floor. The condo fees include heat, hydro, water, and a myriad of amenities including billiards, bowling, fitness room, woodworking, shuffleboard, party room, games room, grand piano lounge, large outdoor patio, and barbecue area. In addition, Rockway Golf Course, Gardens, and Community Center are just across the street. This superb location is also minutes from Fairview Mall, downtown Kitchener, and Highway 401. In addition to your own underground parking spot, there is plenty of visitor parking. Don't miss out. Book your private showing today.